Namaskar सभी को. How are you all of you? I hope you all are fine. Once again I am here with environmental studies for class 5 NCERT book, and we are going to study the second part of our lesson number 2, snake charmer story. In the first part of our video we have discussed about the snake charmer, their work, different kinds of snakes, that is poisonous snakes found in India, and the concept of Kalbelia, that is Kalbelia dance, that is a folk dance of our Rajasthan. All these things we have studied in the part 1. Now in the part 2 we are going to see the following points. So are you ready to study with me? So let us start. See the content of our lesson. Once again I am showing here: introduction to a snake charmer, work of the snake charmer, poisonous snakes, poisonous teeth, that is fangs, non-poisonous snake, and relationship of man and animal, and snakes in Hindu mythology. And snake introduction to snake charmer, work of the snake charmer, poisonous snakes of India, and little part of poisonous teeth or fangs. This 4 topic we already have covered in the part 1 of this part 1 of the video. Okay, and today in this video we are going to discuss about poisonous teeth, that is fangs, non-poisonous snakes, then relationship of man and animals, and snakes in Hindu mythology. So these are our today's point. So let us start. That is poisonous teeth or fangs. See, through the diagram we are going to see the poisonous teeth of snakes, or it is known as fangs of snakes. See, these are the fangs of the snakes, and through these fangs the snake is going to inject the venom or poison into the person's body or to the body of a prey. Okay children, see, these are the fangs or the teeth of the snakes, and the people, those are catching the snakes or those are killing the snakes, for what purpose? They are taking the poisons, they remove the poison, okay, through these fangs. See this picture, how the person is going to remove the poison through these fangs, okay, and this poison is used for making anti-venom or anti-poison, okay. So these are the poisonous teeth of snakes. Now the snakes, the one of the famous snake, most famous and most feared one snake in India, that is king cobra. The king cobra is a large and powerful snake. King cobra skin is either olive green, tan or black, and it has faint pale yellow cross bands down the length of the body. The belly is cream or pale yellow and the scales are smooth. People treat king cobra as a god in India. These are the some identification marks of a king cobra, means how we are able to identify this is a king cobra. These are the some identification marks, that is large and powerful snake is either olive green, tan or black, and it has faint pale yellow cross bands down the length of the body. Then the belly is cream or pale yellow and the scales are smooth. Okay, now see the pictures of this king cobra with the help of diagram also. This is the picture of a king cobra, and these are the parts of the king cobra's body. See, eye, brain, vertebrae, then skull, windpipe, ribs, heart, lung, liver, stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, gallbladder, pancreas, kidneys. These are the parts of the king cobra's body. Okay, now some of the non-poisonous snakes, that is these are the some pictures of the snakes which are non-poisonous. One of the fearful snake, that is the anaconda. See about anaconda, we are going to see. Anacondas are not poisonous, instead they are constriction to kill their prey. Locking in their bite, the anaconda wraps its body around its prey until they die of either suffocation or from crushing. Even though anacondas are not poisonous, they can be extremely dangerous. देखो ये जो एनाकोंडा होते हैं ना, ये पॉइजनस नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी वो क्या करते हैं, किसी के बॉडी को लपेट कर उसको क्या करते हैं, कस कर दबा कर उसको किल करते हैं. लॉकिंग इन देयर बाइट, द एनाकोंडा रैप्स इट्स बॉडी अराउंड इट्स प्रे अंटिल दे डाई. जब तक वो व्यक्ति को दम घुटकर मरेगा नहीं, तब तक उसको क्या करते रहेंगे, उसको दम लपेट कर, उसकी बॉडी को लपेट कर उसको क्या करेंगे, किल कर देते हैं. फिर भी वो पॉइजनस नहीं है, फिर भी वो क्या है, सबसे डेंजरस है. बिकॉज देयर जो वे ऑफ किलिंग टू अ प्रे, इट इज वेरी मच डेंजरस. सो दैट इज व्हाई दीज आर द स्केयर ऑफ म्यांमार. That anaconda is especially found in South America or some part of our Asia also. In this, that is the Myanmar, the scare of Myanmar. So the relationship of man and animals. This is the next point. Man and animals. Man keeps many animals for entertainment. That is, name some of them. Most of the people. Which animals there are man keep? Man are keeping. Just like, can anybody tell? Yes. Like dolphin, then fishes, then monkey, then doggy. Okay, some animals are kept for entertainment purpose, some are kept for getting livelihood, for earning some money. See, these are the animals which are used for amusement. So we find animals amusing us in zoo. कहाँ कहाँ पाए जाते हैं हमें एनिमल्स? जू में देखा जाता है, सर्कस में, देन नेशनल पार्क्स एंड सेंचुरीज, सिनेमाज, then amusement parks, road plays, aquarium. ठीक है. So these are the some places where the animals are used for amusing the people. Means एक मनोरंजन के तौर पर उसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. इन एनिमल्स का या जानवरों का यूज किया जाता है किसके लिए? लोगों का मनोरंजन करवाने के लिए. कहाँ कहाँ पे? जू, सर्कस, नेशनल पार्क्स एंड सेंचुरीज, सिनेमास, amusement parks, road plays, aquarium. Okay, now do you like it? See this picture. One of the animal, it is caged. जैसे एक एनिमल को बंदी बना के रखा है. So just think about that. If you are in caged or if you are caged, do you like it? Nobody is going to be like it. किसी को भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि उसको बंदी बना के रखा जाए. So think about that animal also. Because we don't like to be caged, then how can the animals be caged? Because man has invented this method to overpower them. इसी के लिए कि भैया जस्ट इंसान के पास, इंसान ने अपना ये दिमाग इस्तेमाल करके उसके ऊपर क्या करना शुरू कर दिया, रूल करना शुरू कर दिया. एंड दैट्स व्हाई ह्यूमन बीइंग इज गोइंग टू केज द एनिमल्स. बट इट इज नॉट द गुड थिंग, बिकॉज वी should respect each and every living thing. So to be caged, it is not a good thing. Okay, so who keep animals for running their life? Let us find out. See, the farmer, monkey charmer, Tongawala, astrologer. These are the some of the examples I am giving here. Other than that also you can write, but here are the some peoples, they are keeping the animals for their livelihood, है ना. ये तो सिर्फ मैं एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे आपको बता रहा हूँ कि जैसे कि फार्मर होता है, मंकी चार्मर, टोंगा वाला, या फिर एस्ट्रोलॉजर, ये जो है अपने पास कोई जानवर पालते हैं और उससे उनका क्या होता है, अर्निंग होता है, लिवलीहुड मिलता है, उन्हें पैसा कमाने के लिए भी उसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. एस्ट्रोलॉजर सभी को बताऊंगा, पैरेट रखा जाता है उनके पास, है ना, तोता. सो सी नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज द स्नेक्स इन हिंदू माइथोलॉजी. सी नाग पंचमी. अब मैंने इसके पहले भी मैंने वीडियो में बताया था कि सांपों का हमारे पौराणिक कथाओं में क्या स्थान है. जैसे कि हमारे पौराणिक कथाओं में सांप को बहुत ही उच्च दर्जा दिया गया है, उनको उच्च स्थान दिया गया है, ठीक है, उनकी पूजा की जाती है। इसके पहले हमने बताया कि दैट किंग कोबरा इज वर्शिप और कंसिडर्ड एज अ गॉड इन इंडिया, ठीक है। सो हिंदू mythologies are filled with stories and fables about snakes, the most important being the Shreshnaga of Lord Vishnu. It is on this snake that Lord Vishnu reclines while sleeping in the sea. Thus, it is quite understandable that a festival called Nag Panchami is observed in India in the honor of snakes every year in the month of August. In India, snakes are so revered that temples have also been erected in their honor. There is a particularly famous one in Mysore at a place called Subramania. ठीक है, जो हिंदू पौराणिक पुराणों में बहुत सारी ऐसी कहानियां भी बनी हुई है, कथाएं भी हैं कि हमारी जो पृथ्वी है, हमारी जो धरती है, एक शेषनाग के सिर के ऊपर उस है, और अगर वो थोड़ा भी हिलता है तो हमारे यहाँ पर क्या होता है, भूकंप होता है। इस तरह की कथाएं बनाई गई है। तो जो सांपों का जो स्थान है हमारे पुराणों में, वो बहुत ही उच्च स्थान दिया गया है। सो इफ यू थिंक इन अ साइंटिफिक वे एज ए लिविंग बीइंग, वी शुड protect their snakes also. Okay, means main reason is that to protect the living things. सिर्फ नाग पंचमी मनाना इस काम नहीं है। सिर्फ मीन्स नाग पंचमी मना लिया, फिर उसको कोई भी सांप बाद में दिखता है तो उसको नाग पंचमी के दिन उसको दूध पिलाना और बाकी दिन फिर उसको मारना, तो दिस इज नॉट द वे, ठीक है। So thus it is quite understandable that a festival called Nag Panchami is observed in India in the honor of snakes every year in the month of August. In India, snakes are so revered that temples have also been erected in their honor. There is a particularly famous one in Mysore at a place called Subramania. ठीक है, so the snakes are very much important and snakes are also a farmer's friend also, ठीक है। Snakes are used for those rats are running in the farms, these are killed by the snakes, means we can say that the snakes are also farmer's friend. So that's why we should protect the living being or living things, ठीक है। so बच्चों सभी को ये समझ में आ गया होगा, तो यहाँ पर अपना ये लेसन यहाँ पर समाप्त होने वाला है, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच। So all of you understood this lesson, I think so. Okay, so once again, have a nice day.